Today we made $1,400 by trading stocks on the S&P 500. 1,000 of that was in the first second as soon as the market opened. Now, as you guys probably know, the market opens at 9:30 a.m. New York time. However, I'm all the way in Texas. For me, it was 8:30 in the morning. Now, I want you guys to pay attention to every single little detail that I did, that I executed when I was trading the stocks. Because at the end of the day, this video was going to be for my students, but I also want to provide as much as value as possible, and I want to be as transparent as possible. If you guys do appreciate it, please subscribe, like the video, and if you guys have any questions, please drop it in the comments down below. Now, without me wasting more of your value time, let's go and get right into the video.
Man, I thought it was a joke when I saw it in the morning.
It was, but let's try to see what we can find, bro. If we can find some really good stocks, bro, they're gonna fucking fly. Yo, so let's see. So far today, yeah, the stock market hasn't even opened. I'm still at 38,000. Let's see when it opens in just a few seconds. How bad? I mean, how good or how bad my portfolio is gonna go. Let's see. But give me a second. Someone's trying to join as well. Joe, good morning. How you guys doing?
Hey, good morning. How are you?
Good morning, son. Let's see how the stock market's gonna react. So far, we have a positive outcome. Look at this. So far, it's doing. Holy shit! Look at that. Okay, we're in a good position as of right now. See what's gonna happen. Let me. Oh damn, form blew up. Okay, form is one of the ones that I've been looking for, but we don't have volume. Damn, even though it's actually going crazy. We might be able to go in with just 0.25 of our whole account, but I'll definitely be careful. Oswaldo, what's going on, bro?
What's good, brother?
What's good? Okay, so I'm not gonna lie. So far, the stock market is actually blowing up. That's a good sign. Let me see exactly. Oh god damn! What the hell? I literally just opened up my page. $1,000 on the day so far. What is this? Okay, what is this? Fuck. $1,000. It hasn't even been a minute since the stock market opened. MU is up 21%. MU is 21%. If you guys went into MU, give me a second. Ricardo, what's going on, bro?
What's up, brother?
What's going on, bro? Yo, brother, MU, if you guys went into MU back in December 19th when I told you guys, so far we're really up into that one. I was just reviewing this right now. We're up 21%, but MU, if I'm not mistaken, I don't think it's MU. I think it's CENX or CIEX. One of these ones, or either MU. It's a no, it's not an airlines. It's a jet company, something like that. That means that they're definitely taking benefit from the oils, pretty much for the news that we had over the weekend with the president and whatnot. So it blew up all the way to 20%. We're definitely gonna be taking profits later on the day, but damn, so far on the day $1,000, damn, thousand. Okay, I'm liking this market so far today. I'm putting it right here. Okay, so far the one that I'm looking at is gonna be form. Why form? Let me just show you guys. Form literally just popped on my watch list right now. Look, so form as of right now, we don't have a lot of volume. Actually, we kind of do not really. It's not as good as the other ones, but what we can do in this one, we are actually breaking this resistance line right here. Instead of us risking 0.5% into this one, whenever I told you guys, the risk is 0.25. So it's gonna be pretty much half than whatever we usually risk. So look, even out here, bro, that has been a point where we rejected heavy. So this one's definitely near your interest. We just need a little bit of volume. Volume is not bad, but 1,000% can be better. Look, we just broke right now, but we just need a hold. That's it. Ticker symbol form. As of right now, there's nothing set and done. There's nothing set in stone. So just wait until we break 62.18 and go in with 0.25 of our whole account. But other than that, let me go out and check. Okay, form just broke. I want to wait till we break around here. I'll let you guys know. Let me go and check the watch list, see if we have something. So we have Dan that blew up 10%. Oh god damn. Okay, this one's a good one. Okay, this one's a good one so far. We touched the 10. Volume's decent. Okay, go to ticker symbol Dan. This is a good one. Stop loss can be all the way at the low of the day, 24.83. And now say let's wait for us to break this one. Give me a second. The high of the day. Let's wait for us to break the high of the day and we can easily enter. In this case, high of the day is gonna be 25.15. I'm gonna set up an alert a little bit higher than that, so we can definitely see a quick break. Okay, so ticker symbol D E N. Let me just write it down. DEN. That will have a lot of good plays today. So January 5, then form. Anything else? Anything else we have until okay, this one is a good one. I'm not gonna lie. Look at the volume. Okay, this one's a good one for us to take. Reason being, let me get rid of this. I think I was gonna go into this one like a few days ago, and I couldn't because I didn't have enough buying power. But this one's a good one. Look, we finally rejected. My bad. We finally broke this resistance line, which we were rejecting once, and I think a couple of times back then. But it doesn't really matter because the SMAs were not stacked up properly. So we rejected this area, and now we're actually coming back. We bounced at the 10 SMA, and we're actually bouncing with volume, even at the 10 SMA when we bounced. So this one's a good one. I would say stop loss at 170.99. And let's go in after we break 177.59. But we want a clean break, so I'm gonna put an alert a little bit higher. So ticker symbol ONTO. I'm gonna write it down so I don't forget. So far we're looking at ticker symbol DAN, form, and ONTO. I'm gonna put it right here. Watch list onto form Dan. Let's see which one's gonna break. Now we have EDU. Actually, let me go into XOM. Oh damn! Yeah, we pretty much look at this. We actually got the one. This is pretty much an oil company. We got up after the news that happened over the weekend with Maduro and all of that. So and plus we actually bounced right at the 10, which is good. I'll say this one. Let's wait. We actually got up for a stock like this to go up 2%. Is actually crazy. Let's wait for us to break the highest point of the day, and we can easily try to see if we can find an entry.
What the actual fuck?
What happened?
I'm looking at the SPY chart, bro,
I
and it
know.
just keeps
It's
going
looking.
back and forth.
Let me see. I mean, so far,
Like it
bro.
won't, it won't.
Bro, give me a second. I was looking at it this morning as well. So far, it's looking good, bro. Look, we actually, since we found our bottom all the way at 679.87, we've been actually rejecting that area, and hopefully we'll be bouncing at a good pace, and we can actually break this area that I've been actually been looking out for the past 2 months, 689.95. That's gonna give us a clear path of a bullish momentum. But yeah, let's see if
I got you. Yeah, that's what I'm waiting for.
yeah. If you guys find anything on the watch list as well, please let me know. Because once again, even myself, whenever we have like a shit ton of stocks blowing up, there's no way that we're gonna catch them all because there's only one of me or not. And I mean, you guys have seen it in the past. It's whenever we actually go into some stocks, there's always those those few of them that actually blow up 30, 40, 50% that we were not able to catch, but we also catch some other ones. But all good. So we have AMTA. My bad. AMTM. Okay, this is a good one. I love the volume. Okay, this is a good one. I'm not gonna lie. If anything, I'll put this on the top of the watch list. This is a good one. So I'll say this one we can easily enter above 31.37. Let me put it on the watch list. AMTM. And once again, the strategy has not changed at all. Everything remains the same. So you guys can see how simple this is. Strong move up to the top, consolidation period, volume dies down, and all we're gonna have to wait is for us to get a little bit of volume, as you guys can see right here. Once we get the volume, we broke, and now we're just gonna find an entry, and that's exactly what we're doing here. We're just gonna find our entry. By the way, form broke. I'm gonna go back and see what's going on. Whenever we find our entry, either using the 1 minute or the 5 minute, we're just gonna pretty much chart the highs and the lows. And once we break the highs, once again, it could be using the 1 minute or the 5 minute, whatever works the best. At that point, we can easily enter. So in this case, AMTM, we're gonna enter at 31.37 whenever we break it. And as of right now, we don't really have a stop loss since we haven't hit the highs. Once we actually break the highs, that's where we can easily identify our stop. Because as of right now, it can easily go as low as, who knows, $30, 29, without breaking the highs. But AMTA is looking extremely good, I'm not gonna lie. Also, form just broke, so let me go and check. That's not a clear break. Look, we're rejecting that area. I don't like that. Give me a second. Let me put another. Okay, so now we have PRI, P P R M PRI. I don't like the SMAs. Then we have OSK. OSK. I don't like the SMAs. The same thing. I mean, uh, could work. This one could work. I just don't like when the SMAs are all over the place. This one's actually good. The only thing is that the 10 and 21, they're pretty much right there, all on top of each other. They're like fighting who's gonna actually go a little bit further.
You said we went on a breakout for Dan, right?
No, no, no.
Breakout.
Yeah, then we need to wait. We need to wait on Dan. Yeah,
Got it.
look, we haven't even gotten that break yet, and it's looking good. Look at the volume that we got. Look at this volume. Look at the little spike. Yeah. So yeah, we just need to wait for that breakup, and then we can easily go. I say breakup's gonna be at 25.15, but usually whenever we break up, we usually go down a little bit or we reject. So that's why I put the breakup at 25.19. So whenever we actually get notified, that's gonna tell us exactly that we're actually breaking up to the upside. So so far we have Dan, ONTO form, and then we have AMTM on the watch list. And I put an alert in every single one of them. So whenever you guys see something popping up on the top, that means that we're gonna be good for us to pretty much get everything going and start entering. Yeah, get our calculators. I think that on which I think it was then, no, my bad, it was form. So form, we're gonna go in. You see how it's rejecting? That's why I hate going in as soon as it breaks. Whenever we go in on form, let's wait. My bad. Now let's not wait. Let's go out and use our calculators, but instead of putting 0.05% of risk, let's just switch it up to 0. I'll say at most 0.30%, so we can actually risk even less. And why? On form, it's mainly due to the fact that we don't have a lot of volume. If we had enough volume, I would definitely go in as soon as possible. But that volume is good, but could be a lot better to be honest. And look, since the volume is not um, pretty much backing up our thesis, it's kind of like rejecting this area that we're looking for. And once we break it, as you guys can see with a lot of other stocks that we had, it's pretty much the same play. Nothing has changed. Every single stock that we trade has the same thesis, and it pretty much looks the same whenever it comes to support and demand, supply and resistance, and all of that. So yeah, we're just gonna have to wait for us to break. As of right now, no volume. It means that we're coming back down, and that's exactly what we're seeing. Yeah, and whenever we see good setups, but the volume's not backing up our thesis, at that point, that's when we lower down our risk. Instead of 0.5, it's gonna be 0.30 or 0.25. Give me a sec. Mm, Okay, so let me go back into the watch list. We can probably find something else. We have TAL, T. Nope. Then we have DKL. Nope, not even.
What do you think about VICR, bro? I'm looking at it.
VICR. God damn, there's no way. Give me a second. I think that we went in. If I'm not mistaken, I think we went in. Give me a second. Let me just double verify. VICR. Yeah, I went in. I'm up 35%. Holy fuck, I'm up 35%. I told you guys to go in with when I went in. Look, VICR 35%. I forgot that I went in, but I apparently I have it. Holy shit. But give me a second. When did I go in into this one? Because I told you guys to go in the same day that I went in. I think it was VICR. Because every single play that I've gone in the past, I have put it right here in the group chat. And give me a second. VICR. But yeah, VACR, I'll say that as of right now, pretty much we have a really good volume and we just bounced at the 10. If you want to go in right now, let's see. Today I mean, it's looking good. I'm not gonna lie, it's looking good. The fact that we have volume backing it up, we just bounced at the 10. Now, the perfect time for you to go in could have been right here at 128.35, but we pretty much just missed 10%. At the top was even low. It was even higher. It was 16%. So if you go in right now, if you put in pretty much your numbers, your calculation, you're pretty much gonna be. I don't think you're gonna be able to go in with a lot of shares, you know. So I don't think it's even gonna be worth it. If anything, tomorrow using the same time frame that we use the 1 minute or use the 5 minute. Whenever we break the highs of any of those, you can easily go in. Um, yeah, just verify the stop loss. Okay, Dan just broke. Let me just check real quick. Um, give me a second. Dan just broke, but I'm just trying to find this. Oh, ONTO. Okay, right here. Okay, look, I said it on. I'm just gonna reply to it. Reply. I said on December 22nd. I said this. This. December 22nd, I said VICR was stop loss at 104.12. If you guys, I feel like we actually talked about it and you didn't go in because you didn't have enough buying power. Is that it?
That was it. That was it. Because I remember I didn't have any buying power. I only had like $300.
Yeah. Damn, bro. Damn. Damn. All good, bro. All good. No worries. All good. Once again, we can probably definitely catch up next time. Oh, good. So as of right now, Dan is pretty much breaking, and my bad. Yeah, Dan is breaking, and this is actually really one of the good ones. And we actually breaking up this level with really good volume. So that's what I like. I'm just gonna give it a quick 20 seconds for us. Never mind. We already closed above it. Oh, good. So I'm gonna go out and do it with you guys. So look, give me a second. Look, this is gonna be my calculator. So this is what we're gonna do. Option B. I'm gonna go in with so my account is at 39,000 right now, or 39 something. But for me to be extra conservative, I always put 500 less. So I'm gonna put that my account's at 38,500. Now entry price is gonna be let's say 25.28, 25.28, and stop loss is gonna be at 24.83. So entry price is gonna be at 25.28. Stop loss 24.83. Calculate. This one regular risk 0.50. Okay, I can go in with 7,000. Holy shit! I don't think I'm gonna be able to go in with 7,000. Probably max four or 5,000. But yeah, that's pretty much how I use the calculator. Simple as that. Okay, so I'm going in and I'm gonna buy then. Pretty much, yeah. So ticker symbol DEN, buy market. I'm not gonna buy 7,000 of it. I'm gonna buy less.
Yeah, this would be my first time actually like entering a trade. So I just want to make sure I have everything right again.
Okay, perfect, perfect. Okay, give me a second. I just went in. Let me just set up this stop loss real quick before I forget, cause give me one quick second. So ticker symbol DEN. So I'm just gonna set it up with you guys. So sell all whenever we're setting up a stop loss. Stop limit. Good to cancel. 24.83. Okay, bet. Okay, easy. So can you share your screen real quick? Let me stop sharing so I can see everything on the back end. Damn, that is nuts. I wasn't expecting all of this to happen today. So, okay, share your screen real quick.
There you got it.
Yeah, I'll give it a second because it's looking a little bit blurry.
You're good.
Also, guys, right now, Onto, go in if you guys pretty much have buying power. Onto's looking extremely, extremely good. We just broke this level. Yeah, so pretty much plug in the numbers.
So let me see. You going which one, bro?
Okay, let me see. So did you plug in the numbers already?
No. So entry would be at limit price or not?
No, entry whenever we buy is always gonna be market. Entry always market.
So market right here.
Yeah.
Market. Stop loss. So what would the stop price be again?
Stop price is gonna be at. Give me a second. Which one? That was Dan, right? DEA.
Yeah.
Stop price is gonna be at 24.83. I'm gonna put it in the group chat. DEA stop price. So then stop loss 24.83. But it's
There's
always gonna be.
no limit price because there's no take profit, right?
No, yeah, no take profit, but yes, a stop loss.
So that would be like the limit price,
No, let's see.
like right here.
No, limit price is gonna be the same as stop price, so that one always gonna be the same.
Okay. But if I do that,
Make sure that both of them are actually matching.
yeah, 24.83, 24.83. Two shares. Okay. I mean, that seems to add up, right?
Yeah, give me a second. Let me just take a look. Yeah, so take 2483, 2483, unlock trading market. Okay, yeah, so yeah, enter.
I'm gonna buy. All right.
Go in? Hell yeah.
Yeah, man.
Fuck
Yeah,
yeah.
man.
Okay, let's see. Now all we do is so now go into ONTO. That's another one. As of right now, I'm selling some shares on VICR because it's actually up more than 30%, and I was supposed to sell at 20. So I'm selling some shares right now. Give me a second. Market. I usually don't sell in the morning, but it's actually up by a lot, so might as well. 40, around 20, nope, around 18.
Yo, bro, you said to go into ONTO?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, I just got into ONTO.
Hell yeah, hell yeah.
What's the plugin for ONTO?
Give me 1 second. I'm just VICR. I'm just gonna configure this because I just need to set up my stop loss on VICR. I just sold a bunch of those shares. VICR, 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 VICR.
I should say like 245.
Okay, so VICR trade order. Yo, Eric or Ricardo, what's the stop loss on ONTO so far?
Let me check right now.
Oh, good. So trade account summary.
170.50.
170.50. Okay, bet. So okay, just so you guys know, look, on VICR, I had my stop loss at 104.12. And since I already took profit, I took like 40%
Hold up, bro. I'm
profit.
still sharing my screen.
Oh, okay. So as you guys can know right here, VICR, I went in around this price around 106.77, and my stop loss was 104.12. I sold majority of them. It was a little bit late, but still, I pretty much sold a lot of them around this time frame right here, around right here, right? Now, whenever we actually sell, whenever you guys are going to be able to sell, make sure that you always pretty much bring up your stop loss a little bit higher. So whenever it actually goes down, you never go on the negative. So in this case, my stop loss was here. Now I'm going to bump it up around 110.16. That's going to be my new stop loss. And I'm going to switch this up to a red. There you go, red. It's okay. So new stop loss is going to be at 110.16, just in case if it ever comes back down. I can easily be pretty much just locking in my profits rather than just losing money. So new stop loss on VICR, if you guys want in, if any of you guys want in, new stop loss is going to be 110.16, 110.16, 110.16. Okay, but we are good on that one. Damn, I should have sold this all the way at the top, but to be honest, I just had a lot going on. We had Dan that just broke. We had ONTO that just broke. I should have sold that at 35%. I sold that at 27%. Oh good. Oh good. Money's money.
You think we should go into VICR?
No, I said, I mean, if the math makes sense for you, 100%, but it already blew up more than what it should have. Yeah. Okay, so ONTO, this was a good one. One, two, three, four, five. This is a good one. So let's see. So as Waldo, if you're trying to go into one of them, ONTO is gonna be the best one. Let me get the calculator and let's see how much I'm gonna be able to go in with. So entry price for me is gonna be at 117.29, 117.29. Stop loss is always gonna be at the low of the day. In this case, it's gonna be 170. Is that the same one that you guys have? 170.99?
We got 170.50. That's what I got.
Oh, okay, okay. I see what's going on. I see what's going on. You're right, you're right.
Well, that's what I got. I don't know.
No, no, you're right. It's a little bit lower. Look at this. It's a little bit lower. It's around, yeah, you're right. It's around here. Yeah, around here. Yeah, point 50. You're right. 170.50 with,
Plus, you said.
yeah, it's 170.50, and I'm gonna go in 177.32. Okay, I can go in with 23 shares. That's good for me.
I'm gonna go ahead and flow, boss man, because I was able to sneak out for this call. I gotta go back. I'm at work.
All good, bro. All good. I hope
Appreciate it, bro.
I hope they were able to profit, bro, all through the stocks. I sent you some stocks that were blowing up yesterday. Did you see that?
Yeah, I profit off of the one you sent me. I just sold. Well, I sold half. I had like 5 shares. I sold 2 of them. No, three shares
Yeah.
for the when you sent me because I was and I got 2 holding right now.
Okay. Okay. Gotcha.
Yeah,
Gotcha. Perfect, bro.
TBTX. I was still holding. So I
Perfect.
got 2 shares left.
That's what I
I'm
love to
just
hear,
riding them out,
bro.
man.
Let's make some money.
Yeah, I'll
Oh,
make some money on that one, bro. For
oh,
sure.
oh, good, bro. Yeah. If you need anything, let me know, bro. I know that you're pretty
Appreciate it,
much
bro.
your
Be safe.
your
Y'all be
tongues
safe,
on.
man.
All good. Talk to you later, brother. ONTO 23 market. Okay, I just went into ONTO. Stop loss, of course, is gonna be right here. ONTO, good. Okay, let's see anything else. We have ONTO. Set up your stop loss, and then just in case you guys forget, we have sell stop limit. It's 170.40, 170.50, 170.50. Yeah, well, not gonna lie, the stock market today definitely did its thing, and I told you guys that I had a good feeling about Monday. All good, all good, all good. So ONTO, we're into it. Let's see if we got something else coming up. We have um. Okay, so the stocks that are blowing up right now are the same stocks that we pretty much went in a couple of days ago. So we got CRNX. Oh damn, this one's actually coming back down. I think that we have the other company, CENX, that's the one that we have. But this one, I don't like the SMAs. Oh, we have ALGM. ALGM. I don't like it. Then we have CPA. Do not like it. Then we have HYMC. Okay, this one we're just missing volume. That's it. Yeah, we're just missing out a little bit of volume, but it shouldn't be bad once we finally break. Yeah, that's it. We're just missing volume. Once we finally break this area, I'm liking after we break 27.77 on HYMC. By the way, Anto, I forgot to just give you guys that one. So Anto, oh fuck. Are you serious? There you go. Anto stop loss at 170.48, 170.48. Okay, easy, easy, easy. Let me check if there's any. So we have that. Okay. We have WFRD. Let's see what is that. WFRD. Oh damn. Okay, this is a good one. I'm not gonna lie, this is a good one as well. Look at this volume as we were actually breaking up. So that's the thing with this one. We're probably gonna be able to hold it if it happens. If nothing happens until February the 2nd or the 3rd, I think that we should be pretty much able to just sell it because we have earnings around that time frame. If you guys are new, pretty much you guys know that earnings can easily break or make pretty much your account if you don't play it properly. And we do not want to be like swinging stocks when we have earnings because earnings the stock can easily plummet all the way negative 50%, or it can also go up positive 50%. So that's what I hate whenever it comes to earnings. This one's right now is looking good. But let's make sure that we sell it right before earnings, if anything.
We're up at least like 30%. Once we're up like 30%.
So on this one, WFRD, if you guys have enough capital, I'll definitely say to go into this one. So I'll say let's wait for us to break this chart. 89.90. Let me put it on the watch list. So we have WFRD. So far we went into until we went into MTA. Let's see form. Did we go into form whatsoever? No, form was still breaking for it to break. I mean, waiting for it to break. Form, I'll say let's risk a little bit less, 0.25 or 0.30 whenever we break. We have Angie. Angie, then we have Cesaro. Okay, this one is a good one. The only thing, yeah, this was a good one. If you guys also have that, today we have a lot of stocks breaking up, but this one, I'm not gonna lie, we just missed it. We just missed it. We should have gone on this day because of the volume, but it's fine. Um, if it's more than 10%, I'll say that it's not even worth it to go in today. Not even worth it to go in today. Definitely not. But let's see. 5%. Okay. So ticker symbol ZETA. Let me do the calculation because this might be a good one. I don't think we're gonna be able to put in a lot, but let me do the calculation real quick. So entry price is gonna be at 21.44. The stop loss is gonna be at 20.29. 20.29. Calculate. Okay, not bad. We can easily go in with decent size. So this one, ticker symbol ZETA, is another one that's actually a good one. If you guys have enough capital, stop loss 20.29, and I'm about to go in right now. 148 shares. Trade. Buy. Market 100 and
Yo, Brian, my bad, bro. I was doing something. Did we hop into any new stocks?
Yeah, yeah, I put it on the group chat. We hopped into Dan and ONTO, and as of right now, I just hopped into ZETA. I'm gonna put on the watch list right now.
You went on ZATA?
Yeah, so the stop loss 20.29, and we have another one that just broke 20 XM 20.29. Okay, let me set up my stop on that one. Brother, come here. Come here, bro. Come here. 2 grams out here. The whole morning he was not next to me. No, he actually came. What happened? Are you good? Come here. So 2 grams. Okay, so stop loss on that one's gonna be 20.29. 20.29. Price is gonna be at 20.29. Okay, easy.
So I'm going on Zeta then.
Okay, bet. I also went in. Easy, easy, easy. Come here, kid. Good. Come here. Okay, that's another one. Let me just get it out of the watch list. Form, we're also waiting for it to break on form. We have a lot of stocks that we still haven't even gone in. So we got TXG apparently. We have a full checklist today, which I love it. I love it. Okay, we're good. Then we have HUT. I don't like that one. HUT. I've gotten stopped out on this one like twice, so I don't know if I can go in back again. I mean, I like the volume. Me personally, if anything, I'll wait until we actually break this level. Create alerts. Okay. MC. Oh, we missed this one. Oh shit, this one actually blew up today. Fuck. MC. If it's more than 8%, I don't think we're gonna be able to go in. 6%, not bad. Okay. This one's looking good. I like the volume. Okay, let me do the calculation. I don't think I got enough buying power now, but still, let me do the calculation just in case. Entry price. Okay, excuse me. Entry price is gonna be at 75.80. 75.80. Stop loss is gonna be at 71.21. Bro, $2,800. Not bad. Okay, so this is what you can do, guys. If I was you guys, since you're trying to grow up, pretty much blow up your account and whatnot, just wait for tomorrow. I know that it's gonna suck because we're probably gonna miss an extra 2, 3, maybe 4 or 5 percentages on this one. But tomorrow, what we're gonna do, we're gonna play it out like this. Make sure that you just put this on your watch list, the MC and the other ones that I gave you. So once it blow ups, kind of like this, like a huge percentage, what we can typically do is the next morning, we're gonna wait for the 1 minute candlestick to open up and for us to build a range, or sometimes even the 5 minute. It all depends on how much volume we got that day. Usually the 1 minute, 5 minute works the same. So let's wait for the 5 minute, the 1 minute to pretty much build up. Once we have that range, we're gonna wait for us to break the highs of the 1 minute or the 5 minutes. In this case, let's say we broke this high. At that point, we can easily go in, and then we can pretty much identify our stop loss, which is going to be at the low of the day. And that is it. That's pretty much how you guys can play this tomorrow if you guys feel like you guys missed this. Um, yeah, so That's what typically. That's how. That's pretty much what I did when I typically blew up my account from 15,000 to 45,000. At that point, I can put in more money with less risk and actually make more. In this case, you're actually putting less money. Somewhat is the risk is the same, but now the thing is that now the spread between your entry price and the stop loss is gonna be somewhat of a huge difference. So that's why you're not gonna be able to allocate as much as money as before. Give me a second. Okay, so if anything, I think that I'm gonna wait for this to actually. This is looking good, but I think I'm gonna wait for tomorrow as well. Let me check my account. Mhm. Okay, I think that we have a couple more stocks that we can go in. So MC is still gonna be in the watch list. We have KEX. No volume, but we blew up that one. It's not what I want. Okay, this one already we already got stopped out this time, but missing out on the volume a little bit. If that wasn't it, and plus we blew up a lot. I hate that. PJT, it's the next one. PJT. The SMA.
Yeah, I don't know if you want to check. I don't know if you want to check out HYMC.
HY. Yeah,
Yeah.
I set up an alert on that one. I told you guys to wait for us to break this level. And that's mainly due to the fact that we're missing out some volume on this day. It's looking good, bro. We can easily go in right now, but the thing is that the volume's not the best. If we go in, we can probably go in with 0.25% of our account. But in reality, look at the volume. The volume could be a lot better, but I just don't like how it looks. Look at this.
I bet.
Usually the stocks that we go in, I mean, you see the volume how it pretty much spikes. You can pretty much tell the difference.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we do not like to break our rules. That's why I set up an alert all the way at 28.77. Whenever we come to this area, at that point, I have a feeling that at least the volume should be a little bit better. Huts just broke. Huts just broke. But before that, let's go to Yeti once again. Yeti stopped me out just for it to blow up today. Fuck. All good. P I P R is another one. Don't like it. Next one's gonna be Huts. HUT. Okay, Huts, I like it. Look how we're breaking this level right here. As I told you guys, look at the volume. You guys, it's not the best, but Could be a lot better, but so far it's looking good. Plus, we have rejected this area once, twice, and we're holding so far. So I'm gonna go into huts right now. Give me a second. Actually, before we go in, I really want to break this highs. I set up an alert, but we barely broke it. It's actually rejecting a little bit. Let me set up an alert a little bit higher. See what's gonna happen. Uh-huh. Let's see. Let's see.
Which
We're gonna break.
foundations?
Okay, huts is looking good. I like huts. Okay, we have it. I'm gonna get my calculator. See if I have enough buying power to actually go in.
What are we going in, bro?
Ticker symbol HUT.
It broke the what we wanted.
Yeah, look at it. And look at my
Copy.
screen. Yeah, look at my screen. Do you
I'm
see
about to
that
go
right
in
there?
there.
Yeah. So get the calculator. I'm gonna put 39.
Yo, Hut was actually one of the first stocks we were looking at when we
Yeah,
first started.
I remember, bro. Yeah, I remember. So if you guys don't know, once again, Ricardo is one of my first students, and he's already like he's already seen us shits on the profits with a bunch of other stocks because we started working early on, and HUTS was one of the first stocks that me and him were looking at back then. But yeah, okay, give it a second, bro. We're rejecting the area. That's why I definitely love to see it like pretty much be out of this range. Give it a quick second. Give it a quick second. Yeah, I think that that's it when it comes to our watch list. There's pretty much nothing going on after that. And now, okay, now we're breaking once again, but I want to see that we hold that area, not just breaking it just to break it. Give it a second. Okay, we are good. So get the calculator and start plotting right now. So entry price is gonna be at 55.98, 55.98. Stop loss is gonna be at the low of the day. Give me a second. Low of the day is gonna be at 52.80. 52.80. Okay, perfect. 52.80. I can go in with 55 shares. That's not bad. Huts. I've already kind of stepped out from Huts like twice. Hopefully the same thing doesn't happen back again. Buy market.
Bro, it's flying though.
Yeah, it is. It is. Fuck. You see, that's what I'm telling you. You need a way for us to have the confirmation. Right now it's flying. 55 shares. Placed order. Okay, perfect. Now set up your stop loss on that one. Huts. Trade. Stop loss is gonna be at stop limit 52.80, 52.80, 52.80. Okay. Okay, okay. Anything else? Yeah, guys, that was pretty much it when it comes to the watch list. I've been looking at this one just in case if we can break. Nothing yet. No, 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 no.
Yo, quick question.
Yeah.
How would you like? How do you set an alert for? Like, how do you know at what percentage to set an alert for when you're in a trade?
What do you mean? Can you elaborate?
Yeah. So you've said that we wanna sell in like increments of like 20%, 30% or whatever. Um, And so, like, my question is like, how do I know when I've made that 20% profit?
Oh, okay, yeah, that's simple. I mean, you're gonna see it on your P&L. Your P&L, if it has the percentage on the side, you can easily see it. But if it doesn't, there should be a setting where you can add it. You should see it. However, if you don't have a pretty much an option, you can either
Oh,
wait for me, and I can pretty much help you out. Pretty much see if you're already in profits. But it should say there, bro. Every single stock has a percentage thing. But yeah, it should say there.
all right, bet.
Yeah, bro. Oh, good. Yeah. Also, guys, we have 2 more minutes left on the call. Let me know, guys. Do you guys want to extend it, or you guys pretty much feel like that was it for today? Now we have 1 minute.
I don't know, bro. I think it's your word.
Yeah.
What are you
Nah,
thinking today?
nah, nah. I'm asking you guys today because I'm telling you, for me, like, my purpose is to help you guys out, and that's what I want for you guys.
Yeah, if I had more buying power, then I'd say let's run it again. But
No,
not
all
much
good.
buying.
And that's the thing. We don't want to not over trade, but if there's not if we don't have stocks blowing up, there's no reason for us to pretty much go in. You know, guys.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that was it. Well, guys, have a good day. Have a wonderful day. If you guys have anything, just hit me up. But today was a good day. If you guys made money, I'm proud of you guys.